Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Prachit and you can see I'm so excited and you know the reason, right? So I'm basically in Myanmar because I'm going to have a cake and I'm thinking there is lots of options, so I'm literally thinking. Now I'm waiting for my cab with my brother and I'm feeling a little bit hungry and I literally found this store and I get a sandwich. It was delicious. Still waiting for my cab. At last, I was in my cab and yeah, I'm just vibing. Yep, I'm here and I'm chilling with my camera and you can see my brother and my aunt. Big peoples are doing big talks and I'm not going to interfere them. It was the time for cutting the cake and you can see my brother was dancing and this is the cake. Let's go down the valley places I've never been. Ride a sunset boulevard with a top down for the scene. If you want to join the ride, we'll be perfect on the screen. I never gave up on my California dreams. Now I am all the things I've done. Food is important every time and here I am with egg chicken roll. So it was the whole vlog. I hope you enjoy it and bye bye, take care, peace.